Okay, today we'll be coding for Armstrong number within a given range. That is, the range will be mentioned by the user. For example, if we want to find the range from 1 to 200 within this range, we want to find what are the Armstrong numbers, this program will be doing that. So what's an Armstrong number? Armstrong number can be defined as a sum of its own digits raised to the power of the number of digits. That's an Armstrong number. For example, take 153, which is an Armstrong number. Here the number of digits is 3, that is 1, 5 and 3. And so the power we have to raise it is still 3. So 1 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3, which is equals to 1 plus 125 plus 9. That is 153. So it's an Armstrong number. Now let us take the input range from the user. We'll take a minimum that is a lower range and a maximum that is the upper range. So min equals to input, enter the lower range. Now we are taking int input because in Python by default the Python takes a string as an input, so we have to convert it to integer. Then max is int input, enter the upper range. So we will be getting the range from the user. Okay, then we need to define the write the code for the order. No, we need to loop it actually. So we need to find write a for loop for it for num in the range that is min to max plus 1. Now we will not take max because in Python the upper range is not taken, that number is not taken, but we need to include that range. Suppose it's 153 only, so 153 is an Armstrong number, so we have to take it. So for the range we will write min and max plus 1. Okay, so now next is we need to find the order, that is we need to convert that number to string and then find the length of the string to get the order. So it's 153, then length of the string, then the order will be 3 because it will be taken as string, so we can find the length. Okay, then take a temporary variable sum equals to 0 and sum is equals to 0 is to calculate the sum of the digits. Okay, then temporary variable equals to num, then while temp is greater than 0. Now we are not using num but we are using temp because it will be going till 0. So we're writing a for loop. Now digit equals to temp mod 10. For example, if it's 153 mod 10, then we'll obtain the digit 3. Then it will be then the summation will be the digit to the raised to the power order. Then in this case it will be 3 to the power order here is 3, so 3 to the power 3 is 9, and we'll be keeping that sum in the sum variable. Okay, then we will divide the temporary variable by 10. So the 153 by 10 is 15. Then again the digit will be then 15 mod 10, which will get the second digit 5. This is likewise we will be getting the digits. Okay, now if the number equals to sum only, then print the sum, then only it's an Armstrong number, right? Let's check the output for up from 1 to 200. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 153. Yes, so this is working good.